Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the eufy C10 self-emptying robot vacuum. I've gone through the internet, checked real-world usage, user reviews, and performance tests to figure out whether this robot vacuum is actually worth buying or if it's just another smart home gadget that sounds better than it performs. And honestly, this one is one of the better budget-friendly smart vacuums right now, but it does come with a few trade-offs. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right from the start, the biggest selling point here is the self-emptying dock. You basically don't have to empty the dustbin for weeks at a time because it automatically transfers debris into a large bag inside the station. In real usage, this can last up to around 60 days, depending on how dirty your home is, which makes it extremely low maintenance compared to older robot vacuums. Now let's talk design, because this thing is surprisingly slim. At just 2.85 inches in height, it can easily slide under beds, sofas, and low furniture where bulkier robots simply can't reach. And from what I found, that actually makes a noticeable difference in daily cleaning coverage, especially in bedrooms and tight spaces. Performance-wise, you're getting around 4,000 pascal suction, which is strong enough for everyday dust, crumbs, and especially pet hair. It also has an edge expansion brush that helps pull dirt out from corners, which is something many budget robots struggle with. Navigation is handled by LiDAR mapping, so it can scan your room and clean in a structured path instead of randomly bouncing around. In real-world use, this means better efficiency and fewer misspots compared to older bump-and-go robots. Battery life is also decent, with around 2 hours of runtime depending on cleaning mode, which is enough for most apartments and medium-sized homes before it returns to charge. Now, let's be honest about the downsides. First, there's no advanced obstacle avoidance. That means things like cables, socks, or toys can still cause issues if you don't tidy up beforehand. So it's not fully set and forget in messy environments. Second, while suction is good, it's not class-leading compared to high-end robots. So deep carpet cleaning won't match premium models from brands like Roborock or Ecovacs. And from user feedback, opinions are mixed on navigation behavior. Some people love the efficiency, while others say it can still bump into furniture or feel a bit inconsistent in complex layouts. So after going through everything online, here's my honest recommendation. If you want an affordable robot vacuum with self-emptying convenience, strong everyday cleaning, good pet hair performance, and a slim design that reaches under furniture, then yes, this is absolutely worth considering. But if you want perfect obstacle avoidance, ultra-premium suction, or fully hands-free operation without any floor prep, then you'll need to step up to a higher-end model. Overall, the eufy C10 is one of those smart home products that gets the basics very right. It doesn't try to be the most advanced robot vacuum out there. It focuses on convenience, simplicity, and value, and for a lot of homes, that's exactly what makes a smart buy.